All right, if you're shortlisting engineering colleges for the 2026 admissions, let's take a closer look at Excel Engineering College in Komarapalayam. Now, the first thing you'll need is their TNEA code. It's 2634. Make sure you note that down.
So first things first, let's get into the college's identity. The key facts that really define the institution.
Okay, a few things to unpack here. The big one, it's an autonomous, private, self-financing college. Now, autonomous is a huge deal because it means they have the flexibility to design and update their own syllabus. That's absolutely crucial for keeping up with what the industry actually needs. It was established back in 2007, it's run by the Sri Rangaswamy Educational Trust, and it's affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. And of course, it's located right there in Komarapalayam in the Namakkal district.
All right, now for the part I know you've been waiting for. Let's talk about the academic programs. What BE and BTech branches do they actually offer? And how many seats are available for 2026?
So, right off the bat, you can see a really strong focus on the core branches. And look at the numbers for the high-demand fields. We're talking a massive 240 seats each for computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and information technology. That's a lot. And then you have your foundational branches like aeronautical, mechanical, and civil, each with a solid intake of 60 students. But here's where things get really interesting. Look at this lineup of new age branches. Starting from 2018, they've been consistently adding future-focused programs. You've got agricultural engineering, biomedical with a hefty 120 seats, and food technology. A year later, they added safety and fire engineering. Then, in 2020, boom, artificial intelligence and data science with 180 seats. And it doesn't stop there. Computer science and business systems and petrochemical technology came in 2021. And look at this, for 2025, a brand new specialization in AI and ML. This really paints a picture of a college that's not just sitting still, it's actively looking at where the industry is headed.
Okay, so the courses and seats are one thing. But what about the other stuff that really matters? I'm talking about student support and just getting the campus. Let's look at the financial aid picture and how accessible the college is.
So, on the financial side, this is really important. Students here can access a whole range of government scholarships. You have the standard schemes for SC/ST, BC, MBC, DNC, and minority communities. But there are also some fantastic targeted schemes, like the Muvalar Ramamirthama Meyer scheme, which you might know as the Putamai Pen scheme for girls. And then there's the Central Sector Scholarship and the AICTE Pragati Scholarship, which is also specifically for female students.
And what about getting to campus? Well, connectivity looks pretty solid. The college is located right on NH 544. That's the main Salem to Coimbatore highway, so it's very easy to find by road. If you're traveling by train, the closest stations are Sankari and the big one, Erode Junction, which connects you to pretty much everywhere.
Okay, let's talk about the big question, admissions. How exactly are the seats filled for these BE programs? Let's break down the quota system.
Well, the process is pretty clear-cut. It's a 65-35 split. 65% of the seats are filled through the government quota, which means they come through the TNEA single-window counseling. The other 35% are reserved for the management quota.
Just a quick but important note for all of you. All the information we've shared today is based on the college's official disclosures and trusted government portals as of our research in April 2026. Things can always change, so please do your own homework and verify everything directly before making any final decisions.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.